The ACC Conference might not make it into the 2016 college football playoffs despite being amid some of the top-ranked teams in the odds to win the BCS championship this year. And it's all because of how tight of a race we are expecting to see within this conference this season. Even the odds makers are having trouble picking a favorite here, with Clemson and FSU neck and neck to be the favorite to win the ACC title. Each of the three top contenders will have their own set of schedule challenges along the way. Clemson could fall on the short week early in the season with their first conference game against Louisville on the road and on a short week, or maybe they'll pick up one loss there in their back-to-back road trip against conference opponents Miami and NC State in late October. FSU will face their top two toughest conference opponents away from home this season, Clemson and Georgia Tech, and they're within 2 weeks of each other, and Georgia Tech will have an easier road in the Coastal Division, but they still do play Clemson on the road in October, and they will have to get past Virginia Tech for a chance at the ACC title. Now, the biggest factor to me will be those rivalry games at the end of the season, all on November 28th. The SEC is bringing heat this season. Clemson could very easily beat South Carolina, but you just never know with those rivalry games. Anything can happen. Georgia Tech will have a killer matchup with the Georgia Bulldogs, and FSU will face Florida in a tough rivalry matchup as well. If the ACC can't pull off a few wins against those rivals in late November, and none of the teams were able to come out of their season with one or less losses, they will lose their seat in the college football playoffs.